Welcome back, everyone. This is Kathleen Coble from smartbusinessmom.com, taking you to our next step of building your own website. So we've just gone through how to set up your domain name and hosting account with SiteGround, and now we're here. Now we can proceed and start setting up our WordPress site on the domain that we have chosen. So here's what it should look like after you pay for your account, set it up. Let's go ahead and proceed with the account setup wizard. Website preferences, let's go ahead and fill in what kind of website we need so that SiteGround can basically just walk us step by step through exactly what we need to do to get our WordPress site set up. So what type of website? I'm going to go ahead and choose business or online shop. For most of you, you'll be doing personal or blog if you're setting up a service-based site, and that's okay. So basically personal or business, either one's going to work. Which software? We are definitely going to be using WordPress. Go ahead and hit proceed there. Now it looks like SiteGround is just going to set up WordPress for me. So here's where you can go ahead and type in your information, what you want your admin email to be, your username, and your password. And then you're going to save all this information on another page so that you can remember it, write it down, put it in your Google Doc full of passwords, whatever you need to do. So go ahead and fill this out. When you're done with that, they want you to go ahead and choose a website template to be installed with your WordPress. These are all free WordPress templates. You can absolutely start with a free template, which I will do here, although we'll go into templates a little bit later in the training here. I personally recommend using the Genesis theme through StudioPress. I have found that to be the best option. Gives you a lot of flexibility, although it is a premium paid theme. So if you want to start with something free, go ahead and choose something here that SiteGround is recommending. So go ahead and take a look at these free themes that are offered, and you get a little bit of a view. You can pick preview if you want to see a more up close shot of the theme, or you can go to the template demo, which will show you exactly how the theme will work for you on your site. So go ahead and go through these, pick which one you'd like, and then when you're done, go ahead and click submit. Alright, so now we are in our SiteGround hosting account, and this should be what yours looks like too. I've got my domain name here, I've got WordPress installed, and we're ready to go right to the admin panel. Now just a quick note with the domain services, you do want to check your email to click on the link that verifies that your information is correct that you inputted to SiteGround when you purchased your domain name. So if you didn't get the email, go ahead and click resend. Check your email account, click on the link that they ask you to, and then everything will work properly for you. So before we move on, just in case the automatic WordPress installation did not work for you, there are a couple other ways that you can do it really easily. So you'll see here, WordPress Joomla Toolkit, add installation manually. So now if I just click on here, add installation manually, this will take me to be able to go do it through here. Basically you click on WordPress install, and then go through and fill in the correct information based on your domain name. So most of you are going to have the HTTP. The S is for a secure domain, and we're not working with that right now. Once you get a shopping cart in place or a purchase page where somebody's going to be inputting their credit card, that's what the HTTPS is for. So go ahead and choose your domain name. The directory is basically where you're going to install WordPress. You're going to leave this blank right now unless you just want it to be on a /blog page, which I do not recommend. I just recommend leaving it blank. So this is WordPress is going to host your entire site, pages, blog, everything. Then it's asking you for site settings, which don't be alarmed if they didn't ask you this initially. You can go when you log into your admin panel, you can go and change all of these. So if you want to put in your site name, site description, and then go ahead and you can skip this. This is the same thing that they had asked you before, your admin username, password, and then the email that you want associated with the account. So this will be what you need to log in. Choose your language. For the plugins, I do like the limit login attempts, so you can go ahead and click that. That basically is an extra added layer of security, so if someone's trying to log into your site, break into it via the admin panel, it will lock them out after they attempt a certain amount of times and don't get the correct password. So I do like to use that one. You can skip this and then choose a theme. You can either go none or you can pick layers. We can install plugins, themes, all that good stuff once we get in through the WordPress panel. Advanced options, I would just leave this. Don't mess with it. It'll just do this automatically for you. And then go ahead and click install. So I'm not actually going to click install because my installation did work properly the first time. However, just to let you know, that's the way to do it if it did not. The other way is to go through the cPanel and basically do the exact same thing. If you're not seeing that as an option, you would do the same thing. Just click cPanel and then WordPress, and it's going to bring you to the exact same process here of install. So now that you have your WordPress site installed, you are ready to start. Let's go back to our accounts page. If you click on go to admin panel right here, log in with your username or your email that you set everything up with. Click on login, and then meet me in the next video and we will go through how to set up your WordPress site exactly the way you want it.